Dreaming of a new kitchen? Visit and browse the wide range of displays at Australia's largest big box retailers and choose your dream kitchen. Not sure if the room measurements you've taken are correct? We offer an in-home check measure service that will allow you to design your kitchen with confidence. Still not sure? Why not book an in-home kitchen planning appointment with one of our experienced designers? We will create a beautiful and functional 3D design of your dream kitchen, as well as provide an installation quotation, all in the comfort of your own home. Relax while our team of project managers and qualified tradespeople take care of everything for you. We can remove your old kitchen, install your new FlatPak kitchen, and provide all the necessary trades including electricians, plumbers, carpenters and tilers. You'll simply love coming home to your new dream kitchen. At FlatPak ConneXion, we make kitchen installation easy. For more information, call 1800 11 12 13 or visit our website at www.fpcau.com.au. And the best news is, you don't even need to touch an Allen key.